Good night, my name is Andres Penagos. I will do my job interview. So, um, good night.
What is your name?
My name is Andres Penagos.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where do you live?
Currently, I'm living in Bogota, Colombia.
Are you single or married?
Um, I'm currently single because I have a lot of work, so I can't have much.
Do you ever children?
No, uh, I don't have children. I think the planet don't need more charge.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family, with my sister, my grandmother, and my mother.
Where are you studying?
I'm studying multimedia engineering.
Where are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I don't have a lot of free time, but where I have free time, I like go to the nature and do activities to the with environment, natural environment.
Where do you work?
I was working with a multinational who its name is Wish, and I have to use both language, but I am I I am currently I am working in my own project.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Um, I am a very single person. I very respectful. I think that good relationships with your environment is very important to have harmony in the work, and I think that I can offer to my partners um, loyalty and respect.
What can you tell what are your strengths?
My strengths are that I am very respectful. I am very honest person. I don't like the lies. I always try to say the truth because I have a very deep um, values. So I think very important.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness are that sometimes I, when I have a lot of work and works ho- and and homeworks, I stress and I don't know what to do.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
Currently, my biggest achievement is keep my principles because I think the most important thing in your life is don't be a bad person because I am very spiritual person and I think that the most important thing you could do in your life is be good with the others and with your environment.
Where you serve in 5 years?
I see myself in 5 years helping people and helping the environment because I think the most important thinking the life is environment because it's the only home that we have, and if we destroy it, we will not have any more places to live.
Why do you want to let your heart?
Because I want to have um, um, more free time to my studies to achieve very new goals.
Why do you want to work for us?
Because this multinational is very recognized in the world and will be a very impressive um, experience in my in my life. So I need to take the work to learn a lot of yours.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations are, well, I live in Colombia, that is one of the most countries uh, bad pay bad paid. So I think that um, a salary that a country like French, that is the double that here, will be okay for me right now. Thank you and goodbye.